What is going on, guys? Today's video we have two new neon signs from Lumoonosity. We're going to check them out and review. So the first one we have is a Sheesh neon sign. It's a original design, obviously, by Lumoonosity. We're going to get straight into it. So here it is. Usually it would have bubble wrap, some adhesive, and a quick start guide and stuff like that. I already took it out. Very well made. Made it on acrylic with some diffusion. Really good quality here. I'm gonna go ahead and show you what it looks like when it's turned on. Thankfully this is USB powered. They both are, so you can use it with a power bank. You can basically power it with anything. Let's make sure I have a charge here. There we go. So it's USB powered and it does have a switch like Lumoonosity is known for, because they have very good innovative products. That's what it looks like. So we got three colorway here. We got a yellow, green, and a pink. So you have Sheesh, and then you have a exclamation point here. Let me turn off the lights and show you again. Wow, looks way better with less lighting. It just really good diffusion. I really like it. It's spotless. You can see it really well. I love this. Is one of the first ones I believe that they have for a 3 colorway, and it looks amazing. You have pretty much everything here and it looks really nice. We're gonna check out the other one real quick. Stocking. It's a 2 colorway, red and white, and obviously this is for festive and stuff like that. So I'm gonna show you what this looks like. Without further ado, I'm just gonna make this a really quick video because it's pretty simple. 3, 2, 1. There it is. I love this one. Obviously it's really well diffused. In real life you can see it really well. The red is really good. It does have real white, and the white is really good as well. Spotless, looks clean. It does have obviously mounting holes on the top. I have it hung up in my room right now, and I've had it since about a week or so, and I'm gonna keep it on till probably January or so, because it looks really clean. It gives a very nice vibe to your room. That's what neon signs are for. I like to switch them out every so often to change the vibe or the season or whatever. I have a pineapple, I have summer vibes, I have winter vibes, I have overall gaming vibes. Tons of different neon signs available. Check it out on Lumoonositi's page on Amazon. I'll link in the description for both of these. I recommend checking out a few of them because it would be nice to have multiple signs to switch out. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to pick these up, like I said, link is in the description. They're both high quality made. You can mount them with push pins or whatever. They have push pins there, or you can mount them with the adhesive that it comes with that doesn't do any damage to the wall, and it looks really well. Whichever you prefer.